Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Anyone SAP channels. So today we'll discuss about SAP. SAP क्या है, right? So if you are a beginner, professional or a freshers, okay, this is a very valuable sessions for you. So please be there till end of the sessions. So let's start the introductions about SAP. So before going to SAP, we should know the what is the basic things like packages. So packages basically is a collection of executable program functions and actions. Example, MS Office, ATM, these are the packages. Okay, and language we know, right? C, C++, Java, these are the executable program called languages. Now come to the ERP basically. So what does mean by ERP? ERP means enterprise resource planning. So we have a multiple examples in the current market: SAP, Oracle, people. Okay, these are the different ban. Okay, so these are the different we have it. Okay, now we'll go to the detail about the ERP means well established organizations. Resource means a main material machine, these are the resource. And planning means HR, ensuring, these are the finance, these are the planning for any organizations. Okay, so these are the basically a part of software and hardware. ERP is the part of software and hardware, and these are the integrated into the application server. Okay, so initially when SAP was developed, okay, by AG company, it was a single tier architectures. Okay, so in single tier architectures we have all in single layers like DB layers, APL layers, and okay, we have a front layers. Okay, after that it has converted into the second layer architectures. Okay, so in second layer you will have a server and client only. And now tier architectures. In this architectures we have a three layers basically: database layer, application layer, and PC layer, that is called user front layer. Okay, so currently this layer is going on. Okay, so now we have a SAP. So what does mean by SAP? SAP means system, application, and product in data processing. So SAP divided into three parts basically: functional, basis, and technical. So functional module, if anyone are interested in a PP, SD, FICO, can go with the functional. If anyone are interested in basis like troubleshooting, some network connectivities or some installations side interested, they can go for the basis module. And the technical we have a two types of module. One is a ABAP, another is a techno functional. So ABAP, that is a pure technical, and techno functional, that is a technical plus function. So we have a module called BW or BW4 HANA or BW on HANA. So these are the module called techno functional, right? So these are the basic module detail over here. Okay, now come to go into the little bit overview. Okay, so as we are aware, like now SAP is a centralized business system that connect all department like finance, procurement, sales, inventory, manufacturing, and HR. So if you can say, SAP is a one enterprise system to run entire business. Okay, so why companies go use for SAP? Because it real time data visibility, process standard, global localizations, reduce manual works. Okay, integrate root. Okay, report analysis. So these are the basically benefits of SAP. Now go to the overview. So overview, that means a landscape overview. So any SAP projects, okay, there is a three landscape basically: development, quality, and productions. So and any object is going to develop in development. Okay, after that is going to the quality for testing, and finally it go for the end user, that is called production. So this is the basically we have a landscapes. Okay, example like material management, so we have a okay FI. So these are the common module which is used in SAP. So we will request everyone, okay, to go as per your interest. There is several modules are there. So SDMM, these are the function logistics. Okay, then functional FICO functionals, technical ABAP, techno functional BW for HANA. So these are the modules are available. So based on your interest, okay, every module have a demand in the market now. So based on your requirement or your interest, you can go ahead and learn these things. So this is, we have a just a introduction. So going forward in next sessions we will discuss about the more detail about the SAP. Okay, so please like, subscribe this channel, and make sure you can share this channel for the other your friends. Okay, and also if in case any doubt, questions, please comment, or in case anything, okay, you can email us. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.